In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track and claim your Destiny 2 Season Pass rewards using the Destiny 2 Season Pass Wayback Machine. Let's dive in and make sure you're getting the most out of those seasonal efforts. To get started, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Now, it could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, but for this tutorial, let's head over to the Chrome Web Store. If you're on Firefox, the Firefox add-ons page works just as well. Once you're there, type Destiny 2 Season Pass Wayback Machine into the search bar. This extension is specifically designed to assist players like you in retrieving past season rewards. When you find it, you'll see an Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox button depending on your browser. Click that button and then confirm the installation when prompted. Once the extension is successfully added, it should appear among your browser extensions, ready to assist you with your Destiny 2 endeavors. Next, open a new tab and head on over to Bungie.net. This is the home of all things Destiny, so make sure you're on the right path. At the top right corner, you'll see a profile icon. Go ahead and click on that and log in using your platform credential, whether it's Steam, Xbox, or PlayStation. Just use the straightforward method that suits you best. After logging in, you'll want to find the Season Pass page, as this is where the magic happens. The quickest way to get there is by navigating directly to the Season Pass progress link. Now, what you're looking at is a comprehensive view of your past season progress, complete with all of the rewards you've worked so hard to accumulate. Here's where our handy extension comes into play. Once you are on the Season Pass progress page, the Destiny 2 Season Pass Wayback Machine extension will automatically transform your viewing experience. It injects a new layer of information into your page, giving you access to a list of previous seasons and any unclaimed rewards that are just waiting to be collected. Isn't that exciting? Now, take a moment to explore this updated interface. You'll notice a list of seasons, each with its own set of rewards that you've unlocked but perhaps forgotten to claim. Figure out which ones you want or need and get ready for the final step. Once you've determined which rewards to claim, simply follow the extension's guidance to collect them. This seamless process ensures you get your rewards without hassle. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough for tracking and claiming your Destiny 2 rewards through the Destiny 2 Season Pass